I'm Sarah McMillan. I'm an associate professor in agricultural and biological engineering at Purdue University. And today we have taken you on a little virtual field trip to our own Todd's Creek, which was restored a few years back to alleviate some flooding issues as well as create some habitat on Purdue's campus. So if Mandy can kind of pan to the creek a little bit, and you can kind of look around the environment that you see. You can see buildings in the background. There's a lot of infrastructure around, and what this used to be was a relatively old growth forest that was choked with a lot of honeysuckle, and the creek didn't exist here at all. It actually ran around this property and was just a roadside ditch. Because of lots of reasons that the university wanted to create this space, but also have opportunity for expansion and use of the properties around the university, they worked with several engineering firms as well as different departments on campus to create this kind of park-like stream restoration project. And so by taking the stream away from its ditch and creating what you can kind of see as a meandering stream channel, and we'll walk along the stream a little bit more throughout our video today, they were able to create habitat for bugs and fish, slow down the water as it moves through to help improve water quality, create a really great extension of Horticulture-Park, which is a resource that's used by a lot of folks around campus, and have a really awesome teaching and learning opportunity for our students. So the elements of the stream restoration project that were incorporated here, it's a relatively short project, just over, I think, around 1,300 linear feet, if I'm remembering my numbers correctly. Someone can fact check me later. But what they mostly did was did a floodplain reconnection, so you can kind of tell along different parts where the ground is a little bit lower right next to the stream compared to up by where the trail is. So that is bringing, when it rains and when the waters get really high, it moves out of the main channel and into those floodplain areas. They also incorporated some different in-stream structures that allow different kinds of habitat as well as dissipation of that high energy that moves through a channel when the water's flowing really fast. So it allows that water to spread out into the floodplain when it's really high flow, as well as create this kind of dissipation of energy through these in-stream structures as it moves through the channel. These also create great habitat for birds and bats, insects, different kinds of larval stages of insects and fish. I'm not a biologist, but I get to work with some really awesome ones as part of this project. So anyway, that is the broad sense of what the project is. We're going to stop it there, but do a little more walking and kind of show you some key elements of this restoration project as we go.